Hello, my name is Jessica Asuncion Ines, 42 years old, married, had 2 children, 19 and 12 years old. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I'm the eldest. I worked before in UAE as a nanny for 1 year and 8 months. I take care newborn baby and 2 years old. My main duty is make them sleep, give them milk, give them vitamins, feed them, play with them, and sing a song with them. And sometimes the baby sleep with me when my madam is in duty. After that, I work also in Saudi Arabia for 4 years. I work only as a household worker. The house is 3-story and I work for 4 person. My main duty is cooking, clean the house, ironing, and washing. I'll do cooking also. After that, I work in Hong Kong for 2 years. My main duty is I'll do car washing, I'll do cooking, ironing, clean the house, hand wash delicate clothes, and take care of 12 and 16 years old kids. In morning, I wake up them early, prepare their dress to take shower, and then I'll do their breakfast also, and then I'll prepare their snack when they going to school. That's all. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, if you choose me, I'll do my best to serve your family, and thank you.